want to say, again, my cousins, my brothers, fans and friends and families. Again, thank you so much. I love you guys. I didn't expect this many people, but you guys made it happen. Michigan band, thank you guys so much. We love you guys, okay? You guys are so great. I was so happy when you guys said that you guys would play for us. So thank you so much, okay? All right, couple more songs, right? Okay.
I want to say one more thing. I'm so speechless right now.
Okay, in case nobody's here. In case today nobody heard, this is supposed to be a surprise. I tried to do a surprise party for my husband. He didn't know. At the last minute, but this is our 20th anniversary, and I planned everything. He didn't know until the last minute. So yeah.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. We still want songs from you, baby.
Thank you.
Patience, I